the assembly. Hey, what's up, party people? You back? Because we're back with another day of assemblies. Man, I don't know how I made it out today, because yesterday was had 6 stops, but I had 7 total items. I feel like I literally went to the gym yesterday. All the lifting and squatting and moving and twerking and jerking. But today's a lighter day. We've got 4 stops. We've got 4 beds, 5-piece dining set. So it should be really, really light day, particularly the beds. I love doing beds because they're just really, really easy. Batman. All right, folks, on site. So I just realized that my first 3 assemblies, which are all the bed assemblies, they're all in this Back Bay neighborhood of Boston. So everything's literally within, I'd say, about 2 to 5 minute drive each. So that's always a plus. Now I don't have to be zipping around the city losing time driving. So standard bed, standard tools. Not gonna need my table. I miss my table. It's actually better when I don't have to use it. That means it's gonna be less parts. But let me gather my stuff. Safety gear, shoe covers, got my gloves, got my mask. Ready to go. All right. How you doing? Oh, good.
Oh. Sorry.
Real quick, I'm just gonna put my shoe covers on so I don't bring any dust into your house. Okay. How you doing this morning?
Not bad. Not bad. I'm getting my house cleared. I'm getting it working right now, so.
Gotcha. A lot of stuff going on.
Yeah. Talk about it.
Yeah, well, I'll be in and out. I'll be out of your hair. I won't be here too long.
I don't know how to put anything together.
Yeah. It becomes a little bit easier when you've done thousands like that.
This is the bed.
Okay.
I'm thinking we do it like here.
Okay, so with the headboard right against that wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good for you?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Great. Okay. Let me know.
Okay. All done.
Alright, that was fast.
Yeah, well, like I said, I put this together a bunch, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, would you mind helping me with this?
Yeah, I can help you with that. Yeah, so that
Yeah.
the light switch. Okay.
Have a good one.
You have a good rest of your day. All right, my man. See you. Just like that. In and out. Took me about 20 minutes. This one actually had a lot less slats, which made it a lot easier to kind of go through. We're about 40 minutes ahead of schedule right now. So I'm gonna give my next customer a call, see if they're able to receive me a little bit early. I found that customer. Oops. I'm getting ran over. Okay, guys, on site. Second stop of the day. Not a good start because I cannot get in contact with the customer. Tried to call, straight to voicemail. Tried to text, no answer. So I'm right out front right now. Gonna make sure that I can get inside before I, pay the man. I hate when dial boxes, sometimes it's like hit or miss. They either have everything listed or they have like nothing listed.
Few moments later. Much later.
Oh my God, I hate these things. Literally, I can't find the person's name.
The next day. 346 minutes later.
Hello?
Are you still there? Did you connect?
All right, guys, so at the customer's apartment still, no response from them. I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes before I get on out of here. But this is why you take deposits, guys. You know, your time is valuable. I don't know why somebody would book an assembly and then not show up, but something tells me that, you know, there's just some sort of miscommunication. But we'll see. 20 minutes and I'm out of here. I actually hope that it doesn't take a full 20 minutes because I actually have another appointment in less than an hour, actually, in about 45 minutes in the same area. It's still in Back Bay, which is a neighborhood here in Boston. But nonetheless, I don't want to, you know, start this appointment late because it's going to make my next appointment late, which is a little bit frustrating, but nonetheless, it's all part of the game. It's, you know, it's nothing I haven't seen before. So, all right, guys, I've waited about 25 minutes or so right now, so I'm about to cut. I've already spoken to my 12 o'clock appointment, and they're set and ready to go, so I'm going to head over there. Something tells me that I'm going to hear from this customer who's not answering the doorbell, or their phone, or their text messages. Something tells me that they're going to message me at some point today saying, oh, I didn't hear you, I didn't blah, 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 whatever. Oh, can you come back? But, you know, depending on what my schedule is looking like, you know, we'll see, because I've got some other assemblies for the day. So anyway, I'm going to cut. I'm going to head over to this next appointment. And if we end up coming back here to do this assembly, great. If not, then there's nothing we can do about it. All right, so let's head over. Batman. All right, guys, on site. Stop number 3. Well, it's really stop number 2. It's supposed to be stop number 3, but now it's stop number 2 because we had a no-show. But this guy's ready. I'm right on time. And so this bed that we're about to put together, I put together a bunch of times. It's a little bit more intricate than the first one, but nonetheless, it's pretty straightforward. A little bit more structurally sound, but it should take me, you know, less than an hour to put together. Not that I'm trying to prove to you guys that I'm the fastest and best assembler this world has ever seen, but
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
if you can prove to me otherwise, I dare you. I used to use just one phone, but then I would be doing some recording and then a call would come in and it would disrupt the video. So then I just turned to using my old iPhone. So just to give myself some a little bit of a buffer, got to set up the camera. Got 1 minute and 50 seconds and counting. Is this even the right street? Oh no, that's the street over there. Walking on the wrong street. Got a misty garden here. While we still have this nice weather, gotta take advantage of it. Wearing my shorts.
Few moments later.
What the hell is Fayette Street? Is that Fayette Street? I think this actually was Fayette Street. I'm like all over the place right now.
Much later.
Is this Fayette Street, guys?
Yes, this is fine.
Right? Alright, awesome, thanks. Alright, we're here. I think we are here. Mask on. Hey, what's going on, man?
How are you?
Good, you?
Yeah, fine.
Awesome.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Right.
So you got a bed?
I do.
Bed assembly, got it.
Yeah. What's the other one?
Alright, so the bed's gonna be in here?
Yeah.
I'm assuming?
It's gonna be here.
Okay. Bed is all set. You come take a look at it. Yep. There you go. Now you don't have to sleep. Now you don't have to sleep on the floor anymore. So he's got a couch that also needs to be assembled, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But a funny story, I just wanted to ask you, right?
Yeah.
So he just moved into his apartment here in Boston, and he put together his dresser, which is right here. Now, you guys know how I feel about dressers. Let me ask you, how was your experience assembling a dresser?
It was a pain. It was a pain. Yeah.
Why is
so
that?
So much work, like so many pieces. This came with like 50 different screws and all that.
To me, it's not hard, it's just tedious. And by the way, he subscribed to this YouTube channel too, so if he can subscribe, then you should subscribe. And then we got this couch right here. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I've seen this one a bazillion times, so I've done thousands of assemblies, man. I've been assembling for 5 years, so. You may be able to just
Hear it?
yeah. I'll just put it. The assembly's done, but just as I was finishing, the parking meter told me that it expired. So I'm running to my car right now because I'm seriously trying to avoid getting a ticket. It basically cancels out the money I'm gonna make on this next job because I think it's like 30 bucks, 45 bucks, or something silly for a parking ticket. So no ticket. That's a win, I'm telling you. It's like demoralizing when you're doing a job and then you get a ticket for like $30, $40, whatever it is. It's like, you know, it's cutting into the profit. So, but the assembly's done. I literally just got to move my car probably right out front of the customer's house, which isn't it's not very friendly to parking, to say the least. Definitely not supposed to be parked right there, but well, I hope you enjoyed the new furniture and the stay here. Yeah, went together pretty well. Thank you, and I thank you for subscribing. Okay. All right, you want to say bye to the people?
Bye-bye.
All right, man.
Bye.
All right, have a good day. And that actually happens a lot, where someone will put in the order for one thing. When you get there, there's like 3 or 4 other items. Like, oh, can you help me assemble? I'm like, sure. We'll happily take your money.
Tell them to bring me my money.
On to the last assembly for the day. Let's hit the road. Batman. All right, guys. Last stop. On site. The customer that was a no-show earlier today actually called and asked to reschedule for another day, which I gladly accepted and said yes. Good, you?
Not too bad.
Yeah, sorry, I had an assembly beforehand. It took a little bit longer than expected. Yeah.
See, you're fine. Stop looking at him. No. Yes, it's a very good person.
Done and done. That might have been my most favorite customer I've ever had. First of all, as per usual, you do a good job, they'll leave you a tip. But what put the icing on the cake was they were Celtics fans. And literally when I was done, we just talked Celtics for like a good solid 20 minutes. But again, it's why I love to do what I do. You know, you meet a lot of different types of people, some pleasant, some not as pleasant, but I'd honestly say like 95%. I'd say that, like about 95% of the people I serve, you know, are pretty good intentioned, well intentioned, and, you know, nice people. My day is done. Hope you guys enjoyed the assemblies. I know I did. Second job that I was supposed to do, scheduled for sometime early next week. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you guys are enjoying these videos and these vlogs, taking you guys on my daily journey while I'm doing assemblies and building this business, building this brand. Hopefully it is a nationally known company at some point. And I will check you guys on the next video. Peace. Hello.